Migrant bird hunting has been traditionally practiced in the Mediterranean for centuries. But the recent surge in illegal activities, such as poaching and trapping, is endangering many threatened species. An estimated 25 million birds, including songbirds and raptures, are killed illegally each year around the Mediterranean Sea alone. The meetings in Cairo aim to draw up an action plan.
The situation is a little bit hard because in recent years people use sophisticated equipment to catch birds. So the Minister of Environment took an initiative where we work together with the private sector and NGO to prepare an action plan which include review of legislation, monitoring, socio-economic and cultural aspects of the whole issue.
Experts have to deal with more developed hunting equipment these days. The nylon nets, for example, are almost invisible to birds. That's why in North Africa, over 6.2 million migrating birds are captured with these nets every year. A special task force has been recently set up for this mission. It's comprised of governments, UN bodies, Interpol and civil society groups.
Our target is to stop illegal hunting for its hazardous effects on rare species and the bird's environment. We will also implement an action plan submitted by Tunisia for 2016 to 2020. I believe that by the year 2020, we can succeed in reducing illegal hunting in the Mediterranean Sea.
Some say new legislation is not the issue here. Rather, a host of procedures are needed on several fronts.
Laws in Egypt are more than enough. The problem is to enforce the law and follow up to ensure everyone is abiding by the law and regulations.
Awareness and education. The public should know the scope of the project, the problem. The problem is very serious because for a long time only local communities they are catching birds. But nowadays you have introducers or intruders that are using sophisticated equipment.
The meeting in Egypt is the first for the newly assembled task force, but there will be similar meetings in other countries and regions to ensure that birds are protected around the world. Yasser Hakim for CCTV, Cairo.